Last thing I want to talk about in this module is using data annotations. Data annotations are a namespace in the .NET framework, specifically system.componentmodel.data annotations, that have become very widespread for validation purposes. It's a common mechanism for expressing validation rules on properties done through attributes. There's a set of built-in attributes for common scenarios, including required, regular expressions, string length, range, phone, email, URL, credit card, and then there's a custom validation attribute that you can use to point to a method where you put your own custom logic. Basically, you put these attributes on a property and they will be evaluated in validation scenarios. Now, they can be automatically evaluated by some parts of .NET. Specifically, ASP.NET Model Binding will automatically evaluate data annotation attributes. Entity Framework will also automatically evaluate them. And a somewhat defunct at this point, but Silverlight RIA Services also had built-in support for this. Now, WPF does not automatically evaluate these, so you have to write a little bit of code using two classes from the data annotations namespace, validation context and validator, to get it to basically reflect on the property, find the attributes, evaluate the rule, and return an appropriate error if validation has failed. So let's take a look at how we can integrate this into our validation scenarios in WPF.